All right, let's talk about where product managers sit in the business. PMs sit at this unique intersection of UX, user experience, technology, and business. This requires you to navigate diverse conversations, have extreme amounts of context switching, and bridge the gaps between all these groups towards a common goal. Having this opportunity to talk to different teams across the business makes this job really interesting. You will find yourself at this intersection where you might be talking to your UX teams about a specific experience, or your business teams, or your development teams. And as a part of this, you will need to bridge all these different gaps to get towards a common goal and your business objective. In this role, product managers become a vital component in ensuring that the product vision aligns with the goals of your UX or your user experience development and the broader business teams. All right, because of where product managers sit in an organization, you will end up engaging in a diverse array of conversations across different teams within your company. Conversations with the UX teams might revolve around enhancing user experiences in parts of your product, while discussions with your tech or development teams delve into the technical aspects or performance considerations of your product and the trade offs. On the business side, conversations center around product launch strategies, pricing, sales, profitability. This versatility requires product managers to become conversational experts, seamlessly switching between technical jargon, user centric language, and business acumen. Now, as an example, here's literally how my day looks like. I might have a UX conversation with our designers where we would deal with specific user experience flows, maybe designing the optimal experience, keeping a target persona in mind, and that gets very tactical. On the same day, I might have a discussion with our sales or CS teams that might revolve around the strategy of the product over the next 6 to 8 months, or pricing discussions. And on the same day, I might have discussions with my engineering and technology teams about specific requirements, maybe APIs, and diving deeper into those. As a product manager, remember that this need to oscillate between different levels of abstraction with different teams you're working with is crucial, and it absolutely leads to product success. Now, when interacting with your business stakeholders, which could include the CEO or the rest of the C suite, product managers need to speak the language of the business. Trust building with these teams requires showcasing a deep understanding of business goals, objectives, and the broader market landscape. Being fluent in business language is not just a communication skill, it's a bridge that connects strategy with your overarching business strategy. This fosters trust, and that is truly the currency that fuels collaboration and empowers decision making, and ensures that the products you're building aligns with the organizational long-term vision. Product managers often have to operate with influence, but without direct authority over their teams. So despite not having hiring or firing responsibilities, they're tasked with delivering on the product roadmap and influencing both UX and tech teams and the business teams. In this realm, influence really is your currency, and persuasion is your superpower. Product managers become masters of building consensus, inspiring teams, and driving alignment without relying on formal authority. All this gets very interesting because product managers have to deliver on this vision with influence, but without having direct authority. This is truly where the art of synthesizing data from customers, the market, KPIs, help in driving all these different groups towards that vision. Use all this data and market dynamics to create an influence and ship successful products. Product managers navigate a delicate balance of having responsibility without the corresponding authority. And this requires influencing teams and stakeholders, including the C suite and the CEO, to achieve product success. In this role, responsibility becomes your compass, and influence becomes your guide. Product managers must artfully navigate this intricate web of organizational dynamics, ensuring that decisions align with the product strategy and contribute to overall business success. In this tightrope walk of responsibility and influence, stay centered on your commitment to product success and solving pain points for your customers. Balancing this responsibility with effective influence is truly the key for orchestrating successful outcomes. Now, product managers lead teams, but those teams, whether in UX development or the business or the tech teams, often don't directly report to the product manager. This creates the need for effective leadership, influence, and collaboration to drive successful product outcomes. In this dance, where product managers become the facilitators of alignment. They foster a sense of ownership and a shared responsibility among these team members. It's really about creating an environment where each team feels invested in the product's success, irrespective of the reporting lines.